Hi guys, here we go again. I have one treadmill here. This is a free motion treadmill and it's a squeaky sound. So very easy to do. The squeak is coming from the drive valve. So what you're gonna do is you can use this one, a steel brush, and then just clean the drive belt and the pulleys. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So here we go. I'm just gonna clean this drive belt. Turn the belt. You can see the difference after this. You can hear that? So you can't hear any squeaking anymore. What I'm gonna do is just gonna clean the drive pulley also. Roller pulley. Yeah, and that's it. Just use the steel brush, clean the drive pulley, clean the roller pulley and the drive motor pulley, and then you're good. So let's start. Here we go. Very quiet. And here, you see, there's no more squeak. Very quiet. You can do it by yourself.